In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove auto-add rules in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever found yourself needing to adjust or simplify how your transactions are automatically processed, you know that managing your rules is key. Let's take a closer look at how you can efficiently tackle this task. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks by opening up your web browser and navigating to the QuickBooks Online homepage. This is generally the main dashboard where you're able to oversee your business's financial landscape at a glance. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you're set to proceed. Next, find the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard and locate the Rules tab. Clicking on this option is going to bring you to a section dedicated entirely to managing the different rules you've previously set up. These rules automate how transactions are handled based on specific criteria you may have applied. This important feature can save you a lot of time and ensure consistency, but if your business needs change, it's essential to know how to modify or remove these rules. Once you're on the Rules page, you'll notice an option to create a new rule, but for the purposes of removal, you'll want to focus more on the list of existing rules. Carefully review the rules listed and identify the ones you wish to remove. Bear in mind that removing a rule is a significant action, as it will stop the automatic processes related to that rule. Now, here's where the process comes into play. To delete a rule, you typically click on the rule you want to remove. You may find an option marked Delete, or it might be represented by a trash can icon depending on the latest interface updates of QuickBooks Online. Once clicked, the system will often ask you to confirm this action, giving you a moment to double-check that you've selected the right rule to avoid any unintended changes. After confirming your choice, QuickBooks will remove the rule from your list. Ensure you refresh the page to verify that the rule no longer appears. Voila! You've successfully removed an auto-add rule from QuickBooks Online. Remember, managing these rules effectively can offer you more control and adaptability over how your transactions are automated, aligning with the current needs of your business seamlessly. Thank you for joining me on this quick tutorial. Feel free to leave your thoughts or any questions in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and insights.